Hi, so welcome to this unboxing for a Logic keyboard, Astra Keyboard. It's a backlit keyboard for the Mac. It's got adjustable illumination. It's got like a scissor switch keys for lighter, quieter keystrokes. I think I was using this with El Capitan, but it probably works for any old Mac operating system. It has a built-in USB hub as well. I'm not sure which one this one is, but the latest Astra 2 keyboard is USB 3. As you can see, the keys are quite nice. Build quality on this is excellent. It looks cool as well from the side profile. Very nice keyboard to use, but I actually ended up sending it back because I had issues with it. So it's Monday, the 2nd of July, 9:45. I'm just removing my old keyboard here, which works fine, and replacing it with a Logic keyboard. This one, I've had sleep issues with this. Basically, the lights are on when the mouse is plugged in and the printer is plugged in. It works fine, but sometimes when you wake from sleep, the lights are on, but none of the keys work. So I'm going to have another go at it and see if it works. So I've now plugged in the mouse and the printer. The printer's turned off all the time, more or less all the time. These were plugged into the Apple keyboard and I had no issues with it, so we'll see. So as hopefully you can see there, I'm using the keyboard here. It's all working fine. So we'll see if it works again when the lights are on and I come back from sleep. So it's Wednesday, the day after England win on penalties. I think it's the 4th of July, and I've had the sleep issues. I'm typing on the editor's the Logic keyboard, and nothing is happening. This is about the third time I've come from sleep, so it happens after maybe the third or fourth time. It's just the keys don't work, but the keyboard, the mouse is plugged in, and that works fine. So so the USB hub is working fine on the keyboard. It's just the keys do not work.